Hello everyone, welcome to Sam Tec Channel. Today we are going to learn how to create a website. If you have a business but no website, this guide is for you. I will show you step by step how to create your very own website. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Let's get started. So now open Canva. If you do not have Canva, you need to download it. But in last video, I have showed you how you download Canva app and install it in your PC. So click to website and choose templates you want. Go to search for easy accesses. Now this is all templates that Canva give. So go ahead and choose according to how you want your website look like. If you have not like it, you can choose one and edit it. So let me choose the one I like, and in this video, I'm going to make a clothes store website. And let me choose this template. It looks good. Click to customize this template so that we can use this template to edit it and create our own website. As you can see, you can change all of this words, titles, and also pictures or images. Now we are going to change all of this according to how we want our website. To change it, go ahead and double-click on it and change it according to how you want. I'm going to call it Clothes Web. As I have said, I'm going to create website of clothes store. Name it as you want. To add text if you want to create new text. Go to text icon and click on it and add text if you want heading or subhead text. Let your editing skills shine and make best website ever. After texting what you want, go to grabbing tool and grab it to the position you want. If you want to add your logo, go to Uploads and click to Upload Image and select your logo image. Grab it and put it to the position you want to set your logo. So after that, let me put some clothes to the wall and make my wall page looks better. To do that, let me grab the image I want and put it to the position I want. Make it as you want. The reason it is easy for me is because I have chosen the template that I want. If you have chosen the template that you don't like, you will change also the background. Go ahead and delete image that you don't like and grab the one you like and set it in the position you want. Then click the title and change it and call it About Us. And talk about your website and your company. And go to the next page and do the same edit. I'm going to hurry so that we go to the next part of publishing your website. After finishing editing it, let's go to preview and see how our website will look like to the phone, or in the PC or tablets. Wow, this is how it looks in the phone. It is so amazing. Let's look also how it looks like in the PC or tablets. Wow, this is also how it looks in the PC. This is so good. And this is what we want. Let's go to the next part of publishing it. This is the best part in this video. Watch carefully. And remember that there is two things which is important you can do in 1 second. That things is to hit subscribe button and hit like. Those are so important to make this community be strong. Click to publish website. After that, go to website UL and type your UL as you want, and then click to publish. And it will immediately publish your website and gives you link of your website. Wow, this is your website and the link of your website. Copy it and also visit your website and use your link to invite friends and clients to visit it. This is our website to web browser. This is good. Let's share it to our friends. This is all about creating a website using Canva, so go ahead and build your own for your business. If you enjoyed our video, please share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more great content. See you soon on Sam Tec Channel.